Hoy! Are you planning your Binondo food trip? Here's an itinerary for today that you might want to consider. Tara, let's go! First stop, Taiwan Fried Bao. Di kasino yung pila nang pumunta kami pero sobrang sarap pala nito. For only 35 pesos, this is so good. Yung sauce and everything, 11 out of 10. Next stop, Baker's Fare. Solid yung pagluluto, parang yung lasa niya. For only 10 pesos per piece.
Ay, malambot. Ganda na lipstick mo, te. Sarap. Pati ako napapatikim. Ang sarap. Masarap to, guys. Di matamis.
Third stop, a must-try drink. The famous dragon fruit pink drink. 10 out of 10. Commercial muna. Next naman itong dried grilled pusit for only 10 pesos or 20 pesos each. Itong kinuha ko ay yung tig 20 pesos. Nakakapanlaway, grabe. Ang tamis ng sibuyas nito in fairness. Shoutout kay Kuya sa likod. Sarap yan. 11 out of 10 yan sa akin. At tayo maglakad-lakad habang naghahanap ng next food trip. Dito naman tayo sa pinipilahan na Mochi Puff. This is a combination of matcha cheese cream with mango. Then last step is matcha powder. For our second order, it's combination of chocolate cheese cream, choco chip, and Oreo with Oreo powder. So ito na! Tikiman time! So ito siya sa loob.
Yeah. Ano pa?
For my second bite, masarap naman na siya. Hindi ko lang talaga naramdaman yung choco chips nung una. Let's jump to our second mochi. Actually, mas masarap sa akin to kaysa nung una. Siguro kasi sobrang tamis ng mangga.
Sarap.
Next is Lingnam Fried Siopaw. We bought pork asado and bola-bola with kotchay. 35 per piece, so let's try. Inuna ko yung pork asado. 8.5 out of 10. Next is bola-bola with kotchay. Goods naman, 7 out of 10. Sunod naman ay oishikun. Sobrang haba ng pila dito, ang tagal din maghintay ng order. We ordered Milky Bicho for 70 pesos. Actually, na-disappoint ako dito kasi pangalawang try ko na siya and ang tigas niya.
Matigas?
Next is Jean Fried Rice. Nagkanin na kami dahil yung kasama ko nanghihina pag walang rice. We ordered honey garlic chicken and salt and pepper chicken for only 170. For our last food trip, Binondo Bites. Grabe, pumila kami for more than 1 hour para dito. It's 150 for 5 pieces. It's tikiman time! Goods naman siya kaso para mas masarap yung Taiwan Fried Bao.
Una.
That's it for today. I hope you enjoy our food trip. Always bring your mini fan dahil mainit. Hanggang sa muli nating food trip. Paalam!